Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A55, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you want to open up Settings and then scroll down till you find Device Care, and in here click on Storage. Now by default this will show you the storage of your phone, so you want to swipe to the left and you will see SD card. And there is also a third one, which is internal storage. So it shows you phone storage twice for some reason, though the other one isn't filled. Not sure what that's about, but we're interested in the one that is labeled as SD card. Here you want to click on the three dots and select Format. It will give you a pop-up letting you know that this will erase everything on the SD card, so if you have anything on your card that you would like to preserve, make a copy of it before you begin. Anyway, from there, select Format. This will automatically begin formatting your card and it should take only a couple seconds. Once it's done, which it should be right about now, there we go, the card will be ready to be used once more. As you can see, it shows up right here and it's fully formatted, ready to go. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.